Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today is February 27, 2019, and I will update you my calamansi. I will show you guys how it goes here in my urban garden. As of February 27, 2019, this is the update guys of my lemon tree that was planted in the pot. I will link the video below on my first video about this calamansi that was planted in the pot. And so far guys, this is the update. The fruits are now started to grow bigger, but notice guys, there are some fallouts from the fruits here, so they are not successful. So far we have in this branch, we have 1 2 3 4, and down there we have 5, and then 6, but we have still more guys here in the other branch. But also we have fallouts this one, but it's okay, they are not really 100% successful so far guys. To all the flowers, we still have more fallouts than the fruits, just like this one guys. But for me it's okay, it's understandable, because look at the whole plant guys, it's still very young, but it's okay guys. Moving to the next calamansi, the spotted one, I think we have also some fallouts just like this one guys, just like this one. Oh, but still look at the impact, look, still so small. But we have more fruits here. Also here we have 3 4, 1 fallout, then a bigger one. So far guys, so far these are the updates. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is March 27, 2019, and update guys sa ating calamansi or lemon. Ito na po siya ngayon. So as of today guys, medyo malaki na siya, but still not yet ready for harvest. Pero so far, after 1 month of monitoring this, I found out that only few lemon fruits survive. This one guys, but still it's okay. Moving to the spotted or the striped one guys, there are more fruits compared to the other plant because this is more exposed to sunlight. Look at guys, the fruits are bigger also, and they are very attractive, and I can't wait guys for the harvest, and I will update you soon. Look at guys, so big already. So guys, that's it for the update of my calamansi, and next month I will show you again on what's going on in the fruits that we videoed today. So thank you so much guys for watching, and see you in my next one. Bye.